in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this classified ads WordPress theme in just $3 with lifetime update. This theme contains 25 plus demos which will help you to make like beautiful websites. So I'm gonna purchase this and I will install it in my website, and I will tell you also how you can do it. So fill your basic details. Now we'll go for the payment. Wait little bit. Done. Now you see this, you got this file, theme file. Now for the updates you will get it, all the updates in my update. Let me check, it's done. Now I will install it. So we have to go to appearance, themes, update, upload theme, choose file. Now before it you have to extract it first. Now you got this main theme file, and the second one is the child theme file. Install now. Wait little. Now you see this, the theme is successfully installed. Now we have to install this templates also. Done. Activate it. It's done. You see this, the theme is there.